Hey over there, what's your name? Are you for real? Is this a game? You start to smile and I do the same. I look away, but you remain.
You still bite it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think you're going to be able to bite too bad. Yeah, you can.
I'm gonna try.
Are you going to eat it again tomorrow when there's all spit all over it? Does it have you?
No. Where does
Oh, the
it start
box
off
makes it
from?
look so big, so much bigger. Is it soft?
Want it?
No.
Why not?
I don't want no chocolate. It's sweet.
What?
It looks funny.
You take a picture eating that? Where's the camera?
Right there, videotaping me.
Oh, it's videotaping.
It's actually eating it. Actually ate it all in one night.
Dana eating her big ass chocolate.
I better not get ants on my bed.
Then don't drop. Like,
Yeah? No? Why? Why is he mad?
Look. You want some help with that?
No.
eat that chocolate.
Shut up. Stop! It's starting to melt.
So you're holding it in your hand.
Yeah. But where am I supposed to hold it?
Put it on your leg. In here.
You find it hilarious. I give up.
Your